Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So in this video, I am going to walk you through my quick, easy and affordable skincare routine. Stay tuned. So first things first, I will be prepping my skin to receive the products that I will be using on it by steaming my face for 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah guys, I turn red whenever I steam and that should be pretty much normal. So next, I am applying my local black soap and massaging it into my Now I am applying the scrub onto my face, and what I'm using is spa salt, and I'm just gently scrubbing my skin to get off the dead cells. Oh, I just added a little water to make it easier to scrub. So I went back into the steam for 1 to 2 minutes again to get the product softened and more absorbent. I am scrubbing some more, and this time even more gently because my skin is super soft right now. I'm just going to wash this off, and next I'm going in with my DIY clay mask, aka Nzu as called in Igbo. And clay mask is known to help absorb oil from the skin. And in my clay mix, I have a few drops of tea tree oil and rose water. I will just let this sit out for some time and let it dry out. afterwards, I'm applying my sunscreen to protect my skin from UV rays. And that's pretty much it. Look how my skin is looking all pretty and soft. Thank you for watching.